When it comes to healthy eating, many foods can be nutritious, but beware of how you prepare them. Let's explore 5 healthy foods that can easily become unhealthy due to our choices. First up is avocado. While it's rich in healthy fats, adding too much salt or mayonnaise can be a trap. Next, we have oatmeal. It's a great breakfast option, but flavored packets are often loaded with sugar. Third on the list is salad. Fresh veggies are superb, but creamy dressings can turn health into guilt. Don't forget about whole grain bread. It's a fiber-rich choice until you pile on butter or sugary jams. Lastly, we have smoothies. Use fresh fruits and greens wisely. Store-bought ones often contain hidden sugars. In conclusion, healthy foods depend heavily on our preparation and toppings. Always opt for fresh ingredients and be mindful of what you add. Remember, balance is key. Enjoy your eating journey responsibly.